Okay, we are live. I had to deal with so many issues. Glad I fixed those. Now, I'm streaming, so let's do this. Okay, where am I? I'm in the summary page. Why am I here? Well, I know why I'm here. I was there because I was fixing a bug. Alright, so what should we work on first? Let's work on probably fixing moves, I'd say. Let's work on that. Let's template. I don't need the template. I don't need that yet. Well, I'll need that, but a lot of stuff I gotta work on. A lot of things. I don't need the room for the overworld right now. Leave that stuff open. The player is always helpful to have open, so we'll leave that. Effect. Right. I was going to fix moves so that it, yeah. A lot of things to work on. Let's work on this. So, what should I call this variable? We'll call it, not tooltip, but let's call it the, we'll call it res string. It's going to be actually, no. Shucks. Okay. Wait, no. Okay. So, I can have this just be empty, and then, yeah. But, I will hard code this real quick, so, so, we're gonna have a few, we're gonna have, move did play. And then I'm gonna just copy this over. Yeah, copy this over. Because we're gonna have the name of the animatronic, and then we're gonna have did, or like, hold on, not did. We're gonna have dealt. Oh, yep, and then that way we can still use this in other places. So we're gonna still copy this. Okay, this is where I needed this. So blanks attack. Hold on, what? Alright, so I need to go look at my index, my moves, my move index. Where is this? Not here. Not here. Not here. Do I even have the script open? I don't. That's fine. Let's go open the script. Scripts, battle scripts. Wait, no, I do have the script open. I'm dumb. I just scrolled down. Okay. So what does this do? This increases special attack and attack. I won stage. comma, that, and, but, you know, guitar strum does something else. It raises defense and special. Defense. Oh, wait, there we go. Fine. Rush is a damaging move, so it's going to... do that, and then... okay, so we have another issue here with healing. So, what we're going to do is... healed like dealt. And then we're going to keep doing this. I need to figure out damage over time, so that's what this move will be, but it's not done yet, so we don't have to worry about that. And then I forgot to put a comment here. Healed. Slash is a damaging move, so it's going to say that. Start song. This is a status move, actually, so we need to go grab this. Yoink. But I know that this move has... okay, so it makes speed rise by 2 stages and attack by 1. Okay. Yeah. Something laugh that increases defense and accuracy. Accuracy. Hallway rush, that is a damaging move, so we're just gonna head over here, grab this, yoink. Hallway rush, dealt. Hunted laugh, that's another one of these moves, so copy, bam, bam. Lots of stuff, lots of things I need to do. What do? You do defense special. Special, rose by 1 stage, and hunted grown, attack defense. Whatever. Okay, so that's these dealt with. Now that I have that, I need to code my moves to work better. Because right now they really fucking suck. Yeah, because all of this is kind of silly. So we're gonna keep working on this. Also, let me just pop that up and open Gmail so I can sign in. Boy, oh boy, do I love my, Google really wants to know my stuff. Anyways, remove you here. Close. Select stream. Oh. Okay. Okay, well, hold on. I have to fix my bitrate. Video or outlet stream. Okay. 6800. Fly. Okay. Like the stream. You know, I really... Anyways. So, fix some things. Let's keep working. Gotta keep working. Yeah, so. Battles are scuffed as hell right now. I need to fix them. So, headache of having to deal with this. So, this is weird for some reason. Okay. So, I need to rework pretty much everything, don't I? So, I'm just going to kill this. Well, no, I do need this still. Alright. Okay, we're gonna make one more of these cases, and then this is going to be physical attack against special defense. There's something I needed to do with moves that was like really important. Ah, right, yeah, type advantages and disadvantages, but we'll deal with that later. Got physical times user. What is it? I can't type. Physical stage. Wait, that's not right. It's user.attack. I'm stupid. Oh no. Target.defend. That's wrong. Special stage. Then defense is special. And then that looks about right. Let's see. So now we have all of that. Now status moves. Regular damage moves. Yeah. So here's what I am going to do. I am going to actually need to remove those because they don't matter. and then get rid of these. So what we're going to do is return, not damage, but we're going to return Dallas. And what Dallas is going to be is Dallas is going to equal an array, but it is going to be you attack. There's going to be damage first. Actually, no, it's going to be missed, then damage, then we're going to import all of these. Status variables. Fix these so they look better. Oh yeah, let's go. And then label these just move variables. And heal variable. Damage, and it's going to return you attack, you defense, you special, you speeds, you accuracy, and then it is also going to then do all of the T variables. So target, attack, target defense, target special, target speeds, target accuracy. And what this will do is this one variable will return if the move missed, if it dealt, or what the damage is, if it increases attack, defense, special, speed, accuracy, or if it decreases or increases the enemy's attack, defense, special, speed, or accuracy. Now we're going to also add debuff, and we're just going to have var debuff equals 0, because I don't have any debuff moves right now. Like things like frozen, or like paralyzed, so stuff like that. And then we are also going to need to return if we need to return if the move heals. So healed var healed equals 0. So that'll be the amount healed. That'll be if there's a debuff applied to, or actually, hold on, we'll do U debuff, and then we'll also do T debuff. U debuff equals 0, and then var T debuff equals 0. That will allow us to return, if the move missed, damage, all of the status effects applied to the user or the target, whether it be an increase or decrease of a stat stage. And then it'll also return if the user is debuffed by the move. Well, not if the user is debuffed by the move, just the debuff returned by the move. And then it'll do the same thing for the target, and it'll go if you are healed or not. Because you wouldn't heal your enemy. Why would you heal your enemy? So now that I've done that, I have to work on the moves more. So yeah. Why was I using these? Oh, that's because that. Okay. We're just gonna have damage equal damage 1. Because these shouldn't be multi-hits. They should only run once. Okay, so now that I have that, let's work on some other stuff. Like, let's work on... let's work on porting these moves over. So, actually, I'm gonna do something else than port the moves over. Case 5. The moves have an index or whatever. And I cannot be asked to deal with that. So we're just gonna do physical stat raise and break. So if I random 99 is less than or equal to, oh wait, no, it is, yeah, less than equal to move dot accuracy times user dot accuracy stage. I know I could just rip it, but yeah. If you wait. Oh, yeah, that works. Attack equals is less than 1.6. Then you attack equals min. You attack plus 0.1 comma 1.6. So basically this will just return or it'll set the user's attack stage higher. And then else miss equals miss. Yeah, so now we have moves working better. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this entire block, actually. And then we're going to do the same thing for defense. Here we change this to U defense. Defense. U defense. And then special use special, use special, use special, and there we go. Okay, so that should work for those. Let's keep going. We gotta get this done. Use speed stat raise. Speeds. Use speeds. Speeds. And there we are. So let's get accuracy. Alright. These are all 5. I need to change these to 6, 7, 8, and 9. I know, magic numbers are bad, but, like, I having a name for all of these would be ridiculous, so I'm using an index so I know which one I'm using. And then what we're going to do is by 1. And then stat user stat raises by 1. And then target stat raises by 1, or decrease lower by 1. So we just copy this, paste it here, and then we start at 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then lower instead of raise, lower, 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 and finally lower. So now that we have that, I'm going to give it a slight increase between the two. Pull that off. I didn't mean to do that. Yeah, and then the T values are going to change for these ones, which means I just have to go through here, change all of the users to the targets. And then we will have some that increase by 2 and whatnot, or increase 2 stats at once. So user stat raises by 2. What we're going to do now, copy this, then we change this 0.1 to 0.2. And then 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and yeah. So now we have those. We need the same thing but inverse. So we're going to copy this. I know, I like making long case statements, right? I could probably simplify it all, but I could care less. It's my game. It doesn't need to be super optimally optimized. It just needs to work. So, and like, this is just easier for me to read, personally. It's just easier, because I can go fucking, oh hey, these are stat raises, and then, yeah, I'll offset these by 1, just so there's more space, so it's a bit more readable than just blocks of code. But I'll know, hey, target lowering stats by 2. And then 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. Case 24 and case 20. Okay. So now, you might be wondering, hey, are you done with these moves yet? No, we are very far from that. We are going to do user stats or multi-stat raises by 1, and then this will have 2 effects happen at the same time. So, we're gonna start with attack. So we're just gonna copy this. Oh, and accuracy. I bet you, yep, accuracy. I need to go through all of those. Yeah. This will cover pretty much every type of damage, regular damage move I will ever use. It'll cover physical, special, physical multi-hit, special multi-hit, if I ever feel like using special attack against special defense, or physical attack against special defense, and specific moves. It allows me to have that, so. Multi-stat raises. So, all we have to do for these ones is, actually, hold on, where is this? Attack. We're gonna start with attack and move our way down. So we're gonna take attack, and we're gonna change that back to 1, and then we are going to copy this, and this is wrong because this is T instead of U. Sigh. Oh, right, F12. I forgot that does that. Use your attack. And then attack and defense. Of course, I managed to go all the way back up. Where am I? I'm here. You defense. You defense. Yeah, and then this is what, case 25. fix these comments because they're a bit cringe. Yeah. All right, got this. Yeah, so now copy, paste. This is going to be 26. This is going to be physical and special. Use special. Use special. Use special. Six, 27. Then this is going to be physical and speed, right? Yeah. Your speed. And then accuracy. Accuracy. You accuracy. You accuracy. Yeah. Now we copy this. And now we do special or special multi-stats. We're gonna also physical multi-stats. Special and defense. Thankfully, I can just copy this one. I almost fucked that up. No, special. You accuracy. I meant to copy is this one. Special and speed. Oh wait, not speed, defense. Oh wait, I'm dumb. I need to be doing defense here, not special. Oops. Defense and special. Defense. I am completely silly. So it should be that. And then that needs to be case 29. And we copy it. Paste it. Switch this to 30. And then defense, and instead of special, we do speeds. Here's speed. So we just copy this one. Speed, and then accuracy. So we copy you. Speed and stat accuracy. Just copy you. Paste you. There we go. So this should be working now. Working well, hopefully. What's next? Special. Special is what's up next. So I'm gonna copy you. Special multi-stats. And then I'll do speed, and then I don't need to do accuracy because it already exists. So it's gonna be special and speed. So we go. Hold on. Love finding errors in my code. All right. Okay, so we have that done. Special speeds. Copy you. Paste you. Special and accuracy. Let's see. Copy. Paste. Then we just need speed multi-stats. Okay, and then we just take this one, paste it, remove the first one, speed and accuracy, because that's the only two I don't have. And that is every combo. Sweet. So that should be every case, except for the fact that I forgot to do this. 33, and then 34. And I won't have decreasing by 2 because that's just a whole can of worms. Oh shit. I have to rework this code. Great. Because I messed up. Attack is... What was it? There's a thing that... Did I actually not have... Okay, cool. 0.4 is the thing. Greater than 0.4. And I need max 0.4. Actually, I need to reverse this. So this here, comma, that needs to go. Space. Maximum. Okay. I now get to... Oh, wait, hold on. I forgot to remove that. There. Now I get to... T special, T special, T special, T special, speeds, T speeds, T speeds, and T accuracy, T accuracy, T accuracy. There. Okay. So now I just have to copy this and then $20. This is 1, just a 2. Julio. So minus 0.1, minus 0.2. Now I have this large array of things I can pick from. And then we're gonna do healing moves. So this entire chunk can now be gotten rid of. Healing moves, so I feel like we just copy this. Yield equals 0. Then 35. Okay. So now yield $25. We do have healed as 0 already, right? Yeah, okay. Alright. So we're just gonna have a few heals. So 35, 36. Heal for like 35 instead. And 37. Oh. Small heal. Medium heal. Large heal. Huge heal. $50. And $75. Also, hold on. Cool down. Equal or cool down. Yeah. And then we throw cool down equals var cool. That's var. Var cool down equals 0. Cooldown equals 1. Alright. Okay, so now that we have the amount of healed, and then actually for large heal we'll throw down equals 1. Just move that. Cool. And then we'll have case 39 because this is case 38 and update it. Equals cooldown 2, but healed equals user dot max h key. Is that right? Hold on. Yeah, that is right. Okay, cool. Field equals user dot max HP. And then there's a way to do this so that full heal. Huge heal. Okay. So and then here is where we are going to clamp everything. So, what am I doing? You attack equals lamp. You attack 0.4, 0. You're not in 1.6. You defense. You defense. You special equals clamp. You special 0.4, 6. Then you speeds. You speeds. You accuracy. You accuracy. What user stuff. Lamp target stuff. There. Now field equals min health or healed max user dot max HP. Shit, that's not right. Wait, should I use a clamp here? Shit. I don't remember I have heals. Okay. User dot max HP. And then user dot HP plus user healed. There we are. There. So there's that. Okay. So if it missed, damage, not one, just damage. So much to do, so much to see. So what's wrong with taking the back street? This doesn't exist anymore. And then 0 equals, or does not equal, missed, then okay. Let me move does not equal missed, then result okay. We're actually gonna yeah, we're gonna use a struct here. Missed is that damage user attack, or you attack, you defense, you special, you speed, you accuracy, sorry. Result dot missed. Result dot damage. Oh wait, hold on. All right. Yeah. Alright, copy this, paste it like that many times, and then do defense, special, speeds, Accuracy. Accuracy. Speeds. You special. You defense. Alright. Then copy that. Target. Damage. Raise user stats. Lower. Targer. Targer. Yeah. Love Targer. Working on my game. Heck yeah. Okay, so raise / lower target stats. Healing, which would be user dot HP equals result dot healed plus user dot HP plus that. Hopefully that works. Okay. I need to go into my moves and fix things. So we're going to now this is no longer true. We need to attack and special rows. For celebration, I feel like that might be a little strong. So let's raise just special. Yeah, special. So case 7. Cool. Case celebration. Case 7. Status move index. Number. There. And then for guitar strum, let's increase accuracy. So 9. Effect 9. Rush healing. That's all the way down here, and I want this to be small heal, so 25. Can I add some randomness to this? Plus I random range -5 to like 5. I just set that to 20 instead. Then we can just tack all of these on. $50, $70, maybe 25. No, 20. What's this going to be? 35. Okay, so I need to find attack and speed, which is going to be near the top. So attack and speed, that's case 27. Oh yeah. Defense and accuracy is 31. Boy rush. Let's see. Physical damage move. Special. Okay. Defense and special is case 29. 29. And then attack and defense is 25. 29 or 27. That's, yeah. So that should work properly now. Then I'm just gonna like smush this entire thing because it's kind of long. It like I could probably fix it, but I'll live. Okay, what now? We should probably make up another function. Shit. I'm trying to figure this out. So, what I need to do is go user dot nickname. Oh wait, hold on. Debug show debug message. User dot nickname plus move dot res string plus string damage plus string hold on, result damage string result dot heal, because I don't plan on having vampiric animatronics. Should be fine. Well, I might have vampiric animatronics, but we'll for now this will work. Hopefully. So we're gonna run this. Trip battles 81. Son of a bitch. Okay, time to shift everything up by 1. 5, 6, 7. Oh, I messed up. 10, 11, 12. I might even mess up anyways. Okay. 13, 14. I'm glad I did it when I had not a lot of moves, at least. Neat. 29, let's keep going. 30. 31. But 32. Okay. Then 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. Yeah. Now, I have to go through and increase these by 1. So what's that? 8? 9, that's gonna be 10 instead. At 5, that's 36 actually. Seven, that's 28. That's 32. 30. That's 26. Now will it run? Okay, sweet. Let's see if we can get some... Okay. That's not right. Why is that doing that? Ah, son of a... How'd I mess up now? That's not good. Oh, no. Min user.hp user.max hp comma okay. Hopefully that fixes things. Okay, wait, hold on. If damage equals 0, then output this. Oh, wait, hold on, wait, what am I doing? If move dot status status equals is equal to false, and move dot heal is also equal to false, then show just this. Else if move dot status equals true, move heal equals false, then instead it's going to show healed. Wait, not healed. It's not even gonna have this part, actually. And then else if that equals false, that equals true. Because heals aren't status moves, right? Heal. Alright. Yeah. That might fix the issue. I'm hoping it fixes the issue. I need to test against probably a few things. So Chica. Hot cheese Delta 4. What? Why did my HP go back up? Well, immortality, I guess. Okay. So I need to fix the immortality issue. How did I... How did I even make things immortal? Why did I say it like that? How did I make things immortal? Maybe it's because I'm using min, and maybe I need to use max instead. Let's try max instead. Hopefully that fixes immortality being an issue. Enemy Foxy. Okay. That's really not supposed to happen. That's like really not supposed to happen. I want to keep. I want to see what happens. I want to see what happens. I'm gonna go further. Wait. Oh god, how did I fuck this up? Okay, so min was right. What is my healed set as? Healed is 0. How the fuck is it becoming anything but 0? Oh. Shit, wait. Yield is not equal to 0. Then do that. Okay, that should fix it. I need to go back here and switch this back to min. Now maybe, just maybe, I fixed godhood. Because before moves that were heals were expecting to heal. But now that's not the case, so every move healed. Ready Pierce. That looks right. Okay. Okay, it's not going back up. Player HP equals -1. Okay. We can fix that easy. That's an easy fix. I'm gonna have to kill that instance. But min is 0 target HP result damage. Okay. That should fix the overflow issue into the negative numbers. Negative numbers aren't cool, so minimum of 0 or oh wait, no, hold on, wait, no, I need to use max here. That was almost fucking horrid. Rancid, immediate death. Okay. So it's gonna go for whichever one is the max, if it's whichever one's higher. So that's not right. Maybe it was min. Maybe it was min, okay. Let's rerun the game. Let's see if that fixes it. Oh, I love bugs. They're so silly. Enemy Foxy appears. What the fuck? Player HP equals 0. He dealt 38 damage. Maybe Foxy really did just do that much damage. Holy shit. With a single bite? I mean, it's crazy. Hear me out. But he might have just gotten a crazy hit on me. We're gonna try and fix it. Okay. He just one-shot me! That's what happened?! That Foxy I fought before was just a fucking monster, apparently. Holy. How to use Rush, Piece of Toss, Celebration, Healings. Oh, use Mike Toss. Oh, oh. No. Battle lost, but it didn't break. I think what I have to do is battle lost. You have to break. I think that's what I need to do. I'm actually gonna reopen the game because bugs I fixed, hopefully. Nope, nope. Back there. Okay. Let's just walk around. Yeah. Okay. Oh wait, did I not add the thing to Hunting Lab? Defense. But that's not what Guitar Strum does. Yet another error I'll have to fix. On the attack move. Then test if my thing works yet, because yeah, okay, so that doesn't test if the new brakes I added work. Again, this isn't gonna, it's not gonna show if the brake works because it's faster than me. I need something I need to see if it works if I'm slow or if I'm faster. So something like this. Okay. Okay. So enemy cheek up here is gonna. Yeah, so I need to lose against something that's faster than me. Healing song. Oh, that's why! Wait, no, wait, right? Wait, maybe. Hold on. BJ, wait. Where am I? Right, okay. Else, if result dot missed equals missed, then missed. There we go. Okay, that should fix any weird bugs later. I reboot. Wait. Did I actually make heals make the fucking enemy animatronics immortal? I don't need that. I'm fucking dumb. Okay. Just gonna... Wait, so... That's not right. Okay. Hold on. Break. But since I lost, it shouldn't have even said turn fucking 7. Or it shouldn't have even run this code. Why did it run it? Where is it? OBJ. Maybe instead of break, I need end. No. Why is this not... Ah! I hate bugs. It's annoying sometimes because debugging is a pain in my ass. Enemy Chica. Yeah. Player used mic toss. Player used pizza toss. Fight. That's what we're looking for. Chicas are fucking menaces unless you have like Foxy, bro. Holy shit. Enemy Bonnie. We can probably... God damn! Dealt 92 damage. Wait, what? Hold on, wait. Oh no, that's right. Okay. I was like, wait, what? Yeah, maybe I need to lower the amount of HP Chica gets. Stupid Bear is faster. I lost anyways. Great. Why is turn 5 even popping up? That code shouldn't run. God damn it. I'll have to add more. I'll have to fix it. I'll have to fix a lot of things. I'm faster. Okay, wait. Well, it ends it right if I win, just not if I lose. What? Actually, I don't even fucking need this. Wait, no. What? I think what I need to do is copy this. You lost. Enemy battler equals undefined. Fix that because I can't have that here. Why do I even have this global? And then let me go back to find an object, debug. That's not it. Animatronic, nope. Menus, initialize. Here we are. Okay, never mind. It's not a thing. Cool. Enemy Freddy appears. Pizza toss, missed. Mic toss, hunting laugh, bite. Okay. So I need to figure out how to deal with losses. So what's my move? Second, pizza toss. Mic toss. Haunting laugh is number 3. Cool. So we're just gonna use number 3. Sure, number 5 doesn't do anything, right? What? I've achieved immortality! Oh, god damn it. That needs to not happen. I think I found the issue. Think I did. enemy Chica appears, so we are going to figure out what our move pool is. Okay, so first we're going to try killing ourselves. Because... yes. Wait. No, god damn it. Okay, so... This part, this is right. Like, okay, so... this is correct, but... then also this part isn't. Which means that for some reason, stuff's not working right. Oh, debug message. Check. Plus debug check. And after every time we call it, we're going to check it. Turn. Turn 5. So I used Mike Toss. Turn like it checks. Then it checks again, but then it also uses Mike Toss again. What? Okay. Let me run that back and use a less confusing, like use more than one move. Why? What? So 1. Oh. 1, 2. Oh. Shit. I wasn't scrolled down. Okay. 1. Can you stay at the bottom, please? 2. Turn 2, turn 3. So we're gonna use 3. We're gonna use 4. Just stay at the bottom, please. One, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 1, then... okay. On turn 9, what happened was used pizza slice, healed, show the HP. That's what the debug is. Then I use my move, debug, that, 1. and I gained EXP. So, let's see what else we can do. Okay. I don't know why that's not sticking at the bottom. Yeah. I am faster. So, what we are going to try is to see what happens if we win early. Okay, winning early works. Winning late works. Now we need to try losing early and losing late, which means to enemy Freddy. We are faster, which means we should lose late here. Is it 2? Yeah, we'll just use pizza. That's not right. This 3. 3 is apparently bites, so 4. Just gonna keep using 4. $19. Yeah. What? Okay. So losing late does this. Turn happens. I use the move. That happens. HP seems right. Check's turn. Mike toss. Dealt. That. I lost. But why is it saying this if I've already lost? That doesn't make sense. So we need to figure out why this is happening. Because debug check, I lost. So what should be happening is it sets the turn to you lost, and then it should be going down here, should be healing the player, doing this, and it shouldn't be saying the move again, but it is. Why? So, why is this happening? So this was, I move first. So it's this one. This one is the one that's bugged. I think I know what's happening. So then else turn equals turn, or turn equals the word turn, then great. I think that needs to happen at the very bottom of those. That should fix it. I'm hoping to God that fucking fixed it. Enemy Bonnie appears. You should be faster than me? That shouldn't happen either. Oh, that's why. Fuck. Choice. Okay, so I fixed that issue. Hopefully. Now I need to test if winning first. Yeah, let's check. Enemy HP. Bam. Enemy Freddy appears. Turn 1. I use that move. Deal that much. Do that output. It's turn. He uses that. He uses that. He uses that. And it's turn. Okay. Mic toss. Instead, let's use bite. Then let's just try winning. Okay. Turn 4. I use bite. He dies early. It checks. I win. It grants me the XP. So we are going to do the same thing. Let's see. Are we faster or slower? Here's my... he goes. Deals that much. HP. Turn. So this is the world where I win, or I would lose first. Or I would lose second. That seems to have worked. I was at 42. He used his move. Don't want my HP. I was at 0. Now we need... he's going to have to win first. Yep. Okay, so the enemy one, it's turn 2, he uses slash. I immediately fucking perish because Foxy's strong. I maybe need to tweak stats a bit, but that'll be a later thing. Okay, and then is this Chica faster than me? No, we're just going to try and murder. Yeah, okay, there. We need to get against a Foxy and win. It's basically what makes happen. Foxy or Bonnie, because they are the only two I think that can be faster than me. Oh hey, speaking of the devil. Shit. I don't even remember what moves I have. Oh, okay, so originally I was using Mic Toss. Number 2 should be Bite, right? Hopefully. And then you get against another Foxy now, which is another 1 in 4 chance. Am I faster? I am faster. Just gonna lose that. The one case of needing to lose first. Enemy Freddy appears. So, are you faster than me? No. So 2 is Bite, which is what I'll need to deal with Foxy. And then Chica, I'm just gonna fight till I die. Because Chica has too much HP. Because I need to tweak that. Foxy. Get. Okay. I think that's everything. I think that's if I win first, I lose first, I win second, lose second. I think everything works now, which is great. It's what we were hoping for. Okay, cool. So now we are going to fix some stuff. Actually, I don't know what I need to fix right now. I got everything working, I guess. It's a thing. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try swapping. That's the player. I need my animatronic temp test. And we are going to run Withered Foxy. Or not Withered Foxy, Classic Foxy. At just level 5. Actually, 9 should be fine because I won't lose. Gotta fix some stuff quick. That's this. Need to rework lighting along with a bunch of other stuff. Okay, so shit. Oh, right, okay. Shit, I know why that is. If global animatronic slot 1 does not equal undefined, then do that. And I have to do the same for the rest of the slots, so I'm just gonna copy, paste, use slot 2, use slot 2, slot 2, then 3 and 4. Alright. That should fix it. Hopefully. We hope. Hope things are working. Enemy Bonnie. Celebration. Oh, great. Oh. Wait, was it just like... Oh, he missed. Wait. No, he didn't. Okay. I lost, but it didn't crash, which means... Wait. Wait, I died. But shit, that's not right. You should have swapped, not died. Outright. Huh. Strange. Oh, shit, that's why. Oopsie. Okay. So, that's why. And then it needs to check here. If this is true, then fix it. Sweet. Okay, that should work now properly. Instead of... So, enemy Foxy appears. I'm just gonna stall until I die. Okay, I died, but it just immediately killed me. Okay. It's not right. Hold on. Show debug message. Check. Slot checked. String. Slot. Or hold on, I. Oh, hold on. That's why. It's because add a plus, and then semicolon. Oh yeah. So that should be fixed now, hopefully. Okie dokie. Start game. What's my move pool? Pizza toss, bite, right number 3. That's my toss. Just gonna keep increasing attack and special. Huh. It didn't output a single one of this. That's funny. That's really funny. Because it should have not done that. Check slot 1, 2, and 3, but slot should be free. Oh. I see the issue. Put bar in them. Oh. Right. Foxy. Classic. Level 9. His nickname is going to be Dumb Fox. Realize I fucked up. Fix it. Enemy Foxy appears, so we're going to use 1. Oh yeah, my exhaust celebration. There. Oh. Index a variable that is not an array. Shit. 1 there 555. Check battle end. So X a variable which is not an array. So it checked slot 1, checked slot 2, or it even checked slot 0. But when it checks this, it just bricks. Why? Why is this? I thought this was right. If slot doesn't equal undefined and its HP greater 555, so this is the issue. Player equals slot. Oh, I'm dumb. I'm dumb as hell. I was like, what the hell? It's because I was trying to use an array like an idiot. I'm so peak. Okay. So, enemy Bonnie has appeared. So, let's... I did not mean to use bite. Let's use celebration. So now, bite. Wait, it's not right. It's not... What? That shouldn't have happened. Alright, well, it's getting late. I should probably stop this right now. I shall go for now. I will return later, maybe. We'll see. Wahoo!